Hello students, this is Anupama Labhe, and as all of you know that we are conducting our lectures through online method. From today I am taking your lectures through PowerPoint presentation. So let us start with our today's topic, that is related to with Consumer Dispute Redressal Agency. Agencies to be established for redressal of consumer dispute are as follows. There are three types of forums which consist of consumer dispute redressal agencies. The first one is district forum, the second one is state commission, and the third one is national commission. We are discussing today the district forum. Each district forum shall consist of the following persons. That means the composition of the district forum should be like this. That is, a person who is or has been or is qualified to be a district judge, who shall be its president. That means, who will be the president of district forum? Only the district judge will be the president of district forum, and it must consist of two additional members, one of which must be a woman. Two other members, one of whom shall be a woman, who shall have the following qualifications. The member should also have the qualifications which are enumerated as below. The member must not be less than 35 years of age. That means only a person who has attained his age of 35 can be a member of this district forum, and he must possess a bachelor's degree from recognized university. Here are some that means academic qualifications for the members. He must be at least possessing the bachelor's degree, and that must be from the recognized university. And the next one is be persons of ability, integrity and standing, and have adequate knowledge and experience of at least 10 years in dealing with problems relating to economics, law, commerce, accountancy, industry, public affairs or administration. That means not only his educational qualification is considered to appoint him as a member, but his experiences also count for appointing him as a member, appointing him or her. There are certain disqualifications mentioned under the Act, or you may say the provisions for the members. The disqualifications are as follows. He must not, that means have been convicted and sentenced to imprisonment of an offence which in the opinion of the state government involve moral turpitude. If he is convicted of committing the moral turpitude, then he cannot act as a member of district forum. The second disqualification is he is an undischarged insolvent. If he is still declared as insolvent, then he cannot be appointed to the district forum as a member. Is of sound mind and stands so declared by a competent court. He is of unsound mind and stands so declared, and still he is of unsound mind, and that must be declared by the competent court that the person is of unsound mind. Has been removed or dismissed from the service of the government or a body corporate owned or controlled by the government. And if a person is removed from the office or his services, or when he is giving his services in a government offices or a body corporate or a corporate which is owned or controlled by the government, then also he can be treated as disqualified to act as a member in a district forum. Then has, in the opinion of the state government, such financial or other interest as is likely to be affect prejudicially the discharge by him of his function as a member, or has such other disqualifications as may be prescribed by the state government. If the government, that means state government, founds that he has some interest in the matters related with the dispute, then he is disqualified to act as a member. And the state government may additionally specify certain disqualifications if that person is under that disqualification, then he cannot be appointed as a member. Then every member of the district forum shall hold office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 68 years, whichever is earlier. That means a person who is appointed in a district forum can hold the office for not more than 5 years, okay, or at the age of 65 years. For example, he at present he is of 62 years, okay, then he cannot be continued to act as a member or president in that forum up to 65 years. That means his service in this forum cannot be more than 3 years. The next one is the salary or honorarium and other allowances payable to and the other terms and conditions of service of the members of district forum shall be as may be prescribed by the state government. That means all the rights or all the provisions related with his salary, honorarium or allowances are decided by the state government. And now we will discuss what is the jurisdiction of this forum. The district forum shall have jurisdiction to entertain complaints where the value of goods and services and the compensation, if any claim, does not exceed rupees 20 lakhs. That means the amount is up to 20 lakhs, then only these cases are dealt in with the district forum. And a complaint shall be filed in district forum within the local limits of whose jurisdiction the opposition party resides or carry on business or the cause of action has arisen. That means where the complaint will be filed in that district where the person against whom you are filing the case is residing. Then the complainer can be that means the complaint can be filed by any of the following persons. That means who can file the complaint? The following persons have authority, or you may say has the right to file the complaints. The first one is the consumer concerned. That means the consumer who is suffering the losses can file the complaint, or any recognized consumer association. If the consumer is not in a position or not able to file a complaint, then on behalf of him any recognized consumer association can file the complaint. Then one or more consumer for the benefits of consumers. That means one or two consumers can jointly file the case for protecting the interest of all other consumers. And the central or state government. Obviously, the central or state government has the authority to file the complaint in the district forum. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, then ask in your group. Thank you very much.